Hey guys, let me find somewhere to pop you over here. I think that's better. So I've just finished doing a what's in my bag, which you'll probably have seen when you see this next, and I just thought let me follow on with a little video, probably a vlog. I don't know how this is going to go, but it could be a vlog. If it's a vlog, yay! I'm not that used to creating vlogs and making vlogs, but hopefully in time I'll be really good at doing this. So I was just going to go through with you how I take care of my clothes. So sort of like using a steamer and just looking after my clothes, really, because I feel like that is a really important part of keeping your wardrobe looking fresh, looking new, looking neat, and not looking ragged. Because if you do not take very good care of your wardrobe, things tend to run away with you, and you're always having to go to the shops and getting new clothes constantly. So I'm just going to gather everything that you need for what I'm going to talk about, and I will show you. And everything is relatively affordable, and you can even find more bargains if you go in places like Home Bargain. Amazon is a really good one. Just find your local place where you can usually find this type of things. Also, I'm going to talk about detergents that I use and that have really helped me keep my clothes looking optimum. So let's get the obvious out of the way straight away. But first, let me fix you. Yeah, I think you're better now. Anyway, what I was going to say is there's some clothes that can't be fixed. Just throw them away. And there are some errors that you're going to make. For instance, you shrunk a jumper. You cannot bring it back to life. Give it to whoever fits, or it's time to let it go. But besides that, let's get straight into how to take care of your clothes that you have now, that look good on you, that you love, that you enjoy, and how to keep them for as long as possible. There are two things that I genuinely swear by and that have changed my game in me looking after my clothes. The first thing that I swear by now is this here. It's a clothes shaver. So what I do with this is I can use it on my cardigans. I'm going to put some cutaways in here now. A clothes shaver, it doesn't cost much. You can buy an expensive one, but I did even get this for £4. I think I got it for £4, and you can easily just shave away any rollings on your clothes and stuff like that. I'm just going to put a cutaway in so that you can see how exactly I do it. This has been a game changer, and I think you need this. You can do it on your blankets, you can do it on your wool coats, you can do it on so many things. You can even do it on cotton. This is 100% cotton. As you see, it doesn't have anything on, but I'm just going to show you how gentle it is, that you can use this even on the most delicate of fabrics. So you can actually use it as a lint remover as well on your clothes, and I've just found this invaluable, and I've been using it again and again on everything that I need to use it on. The second thing that I really use, and I've been using a lot these days when it comes to preserving my clothes and looking after my clothes, has been a steamer. A steamer has been one of those things. I got, this is a bit bulky. I know that there's some fancier ones. I got these from Home Bargains. Yeah, I got this from Home Bargains. You can get some from Amazon. You can get loads of different ones, some fancier ones. I only got this for £20. So I'm trying to show you here that everything can be done at a budget. You can get some really fancier ones. I've seen some really nice ones that I really like that I'll probably get. I saw one on Zara, I think it was £80, and there are loads more available on Amazon that you can pick from. How I really use the steamer when it comes to my clothes is if I've been wearing like I'm wearing this dress today, I'm not going anywhere, I didn't sweat, I don't feel like it's dirty, I just take it off and I steam it straight away to just remove any germs and any smells that might be from my body odor, because I don't want to wash my clothes all the time. Washing your clothes all the time is what causes your clothes or the material on your clothes to wear out and lose its color. So I avoid washing my clothes too much if I don't need to. So I would just steam it and then hang it back on in the wardrobe or wherever it is that it's supposed to go. The other thing that I do is if I wash my gentle clothes, my silks, different types of materials, my viscose or whatever it is, actually I have more clothes that say dry clean only, and I don't ever take my clothes to the dry cleaners because it's just an expensive process, and sometimes I would just rather go and buy a new thing than take it to the dry cleaners. So I wash my clothes either on hand wash or delicate in the washing machine. I flat dry them so they keep dry. When they're dry, I just take the steamer and use the steamer to steam them through. I don't iron them. If there is a part that needs ironing, what I would normally do is I would lay them on the ironing board. I'm just going to show you what I do as well while I'm talking. Then find a cloth that is clean and that doesn't leave any lint on the clothes, place it on top and then iron over it on very gentle heat. This really helps me not to take my clothes to the dry cleaners, and also making sure that there's no contact between the material and the iron. And the other thing that I do is I use detergent. Most of the time the detergent that you have hanging about in your laundry room is just fine. Just make sure that it's written for delicates and for wools or whatever it is that you're washing. But I use this one here and it works perfectly. It's a 3-in-1, and actually my clothes come out smelling amazing after I've used this. And this is Ariel. And if I am washing any whites or creams, I make sure that I add something that brightens my whites and just keeps them a little whiter. The most important thing of this process when I'm doing the laundry is I separate. I put same colors together, and I make sure that the washing machine drum is not full at all when I'm washing delicate clothes, especially when I'm washing wools and silk. Or if I need, I sometimes even use a laundry bag because I find this really preserves the wool and the material and the fiber of garment. So this really helps to keep it intact and does not disturb it during the wash. So this is what I use. I use a laundry bag. I'll show you one here actually. So I use a laundry bag like this where I will put everything I need. Sometimes I put my bras and panties in here if I need to wash them in it. That's the other tips that I have that really helps me preserve my clothes. But the biggest takeaway out of everything, if you take away nothing at all, is just make sure that you're not washing your clothes too often. Also wash your clothes inside out, same colors together. Every time you take off your clothes and you know that you're going to wash it, turn it inside out so when it goes into the washing machine, you're preserving the color of your fabric. You want that brightness, that color to pop for as long as possible, and how you get that is by making sure that it's not rubbing against other clothes in the washing machine. So turn it inside out. I hope you found these tips really useful, and if you have any more tips that you think I've left out, I'll leave them in the comments below. And I think one thing that I forgot is it's very important to minimize using the tumble dryer. I find tumble dryers are not very clothes friendly or material or garment friendly, so try and dry air your clothes for as much as possible wherever possible. This is definitely going to preserve your clothes and keep them looking good for way longer. I have clothes over here that I've had for 5, 7, 10 years and they are going fine. I can even pass them down to somebody else because I have looked up to these clothes, and in turn they have looked up to me too. So I feel it's money well spent, and I'm not feeding into fast fashion either. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you have anything to add, make sure you leave it in the comments below. Oh. Hello and welcome. Today I am just cleaning my makeup brushes. I actually need to place a new order for these sponges because these don't smell good anymore. Actually, let me place the order while I am with you over here. I'm just going to order them from Amazon straight away. It's quite an easy thing to do. I've seen some on Amazon, and I think what I will do is I will record while I'm ordering. So I'm just going to put a screenshot of my phone over here as we are talking, and you will see the makeup sponges blender set. I've seen some that are like in sets of egg sets, almost. Like, I think that's what I'm going to get. This is the Amazon choice, and they come in a pack of 4. Let me see if they have anything else nicer. I like those because they come in a container. I'm not a very big makeup person, so I think 4 will do me just fine. So I'll just go back and get these 4. And it has 937 reviews, which is good. Which colors am I going to pick? I'm going to pick the avocado and green. They are £5.44, and I'm just going to place the order. They're going to be here tomorrow, and to check out. I've got things worth about £1,000 in my checkout, and Amazon just tried to get me to buy everything that's in my checkout. They must have lost it. I've placed the order, and yes, it will be here tomorrow. So in the meantime, I can throw these and everything else that I have here in the bin, because I think they have seen their time, and I am just going to wash these here. I had some brushes that I am looking forward to that are coming my way, and I'm really excited about that. I'll make sure that I show you when they are here. Oh, I'm super excited about them. I hope they come soon. So now let me wash these, and I'll just place you over on the side here, and you can see me while I do it. I'll put my gloves on. The lighting is not very good because you're not in direct line to where the light comes from, and I'm going to use the shampoo bar from Garnier that I use for my hair. And let's do this. Let me place you somewhere better.
Concussion.